Alright YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video. What's going on YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. I hope you guys had a great week. Hey, thanks a lot for visiting the channel, guys. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying our videos. Our new website is up, running, fixed. Domain is good to go. GTradeNow.com is official. Our new website is going strong. On the website, guys, signals are free for 3 days. We got a 3-day trial. Just kind of piggybacking off my last video. 12 and 3 this week. 21 and 4 so far this month. We got an alert set ready to go, hopefully in the next few minutes for a trade to finish this evening. And hopefully we can get in and out tomorrow to close out this profitable week going into Friday. My hourly course and my 5-minute course got a couple emails within the last few days asking for sales. You got your wish. I'm going to roll those courses back $25 through Sunday, the 17th of March, 2019. So if you're looking to get those courses, save some money, this is the time to do it. Go ahead on our website and purchase. They each come with 1 month of signals because our main objective is to teach, right? We want to teach you, but we also want to help you earn some money on that as well while you're learning, you know, to help cover some of the costs of education, because education is expensive. I believe our education is not expensive for what you're getting. You're getting signals. You get personal instructions. You get tons of training videos. My hourly course alone is almost 4 hours long. Tons of material in there. My 5-minute, I plot the charts every single day for you. So you're getting that stuff. And to me, it's well worth the money, and I'm taking it even more today. All right, guys. So in this video, guys, I got some quick trades. You know, I'm still building a $250 account, still going strong. Trading small, trading often. I stress that to a lot of members that I trade with on a daily basis. Some want to go for the home run because certain people on YouTube want to show you, you know, 10, 12, 15 contracts, risking thousands of dollars and taking 180 bucks. And they want to do the same and end up blowing their account. So I'm consciously telling people, hey, trade small, trade often. You know, you might not be winning as much money profit-wise, right? You're not winning as much, right? But you're able to manage those losers a lot more. Because if you win and one loss will wipe your whole account, what's the point? You can't trade no more anymore. Right? So trade small, trade often. That's what you're going to see in this video. I don't want to flash a lot of contracts. And right now, honestly, the way my account is, I'm still on a small account, right? I'm over 1,000 off the 250, right? 1,500, close to 15, I believe. And you know, we're still building. I'm not going to take 5 contracts, stuff like that. I'm trying to play it smart. I'm looking to earn wealth. I'm not looking to earn huge amounts of money every day. You know, I'm just trying to build it. You know, and that's gradual. That's how I'm doing it. You might be looking for more, so you're going to risk more, but that's totally up to you. But I wanted to go ahead and show you how we're still building our account. So I got some videos lined up for you. I hope you guys all like this video. Shoot it a thumbs up. Message me any questions. My email address is on our website. You can just go to our website, click on the contact button, and it will send an email right to one of us at G-Trade. We all look forward to working with you, whether it's shadow trading, whether it's in our 5-minute course, whether it's helping you with our hourly course, or whether it's just instructing and sending signals to you. We all look forward to it. So go ahead, take the chance, sign up for free, purchase off the sale, and let's start working. You guys all take care. Trade safe. Okay, so now I'm over $20 here. So I'm just going to go ahead, click sell, and get out of the trade. All right, so that's one thing that's cool about Nadex is it tells you right from the bat the profit loss. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take this profit real quick. I'm sorry. I'm going to I'll show it to you. So we'll go back to this in a second. So what I did here is I bought, and I want to make sure that I keep this money. I don't mind taking $15 on this trade. I placed it like a few minutes ago. So what I do is I click here, and since I bought, I have to sell. All right, since I bought, I have to sell. And in order for me to get out and take this money, I click the work order, I click sell, and I place order, and it will automatically get me out. I kind of am going to let this go a little bit. I was going to consider taking it out, but I'm looking at the chart on my other screen and it still looks pretty good. So I'm kind of just going to let this work order just go for me, and we'll see. But if this comes back down, I probably would just hop out and take profit. So let's continue. So yes, so you have 100 minus whatever, and you're going to get that amount. Now on the buy side, this is minus 100. So if you take 100 and you subtract this, that number will be profit. Okay, so you will risk $100, right? So essentially you're risking 55 to make 44. So the big takeaway is $100, subtract this, and that will be the amount of profit that you can get. Okay, that's the easy, best way I can explain it as. Like as you can see here, if I buy this, right? If I buy it, I'm gonna get 13.25 is my max loss with an $86 profit. All right, now I'm at $20, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the profit. Okay, so I click sell, I click the order, and I take the profit. All right. Okay, so now I'm over $20 here, so I'm just going to go ahead, click sell, and get out of the trade. And now we're on to the next one.